Hey guys, back again for another video. If you saw any of my recent Instagram stories, I'll put a link down below to Instagram. If you've seen my recent Instagram stories, you've seen that my Honda mower met a tragic end when it bottom blew out of it and oil went all over my driveway. After taking care of it very well. So I'm not 100% sure what's up with that, but obviously needed a new mower, and I went with this, the TimeMaster. Yep, the Toro TimeMaster. I'm really excited about this, but I thought what I would do is just put together a quick little video of me unboxing it, and then we'll kind of have a look at it, see what the features are. So let's get it out of the box. Alright, I've got it all unboxed here. It's a really nicely built mower, so hopefully we have lots of good luck with this one in the lawn. But let me take you through a few of the features. So one thing that I'm really excited about on it is that you can make the height adjustments at these 2 points. One lever adjusts the front, one lever adjusts the back, so much easier than on traditional mowers where you have to do all 4 sides. So really nice. They're clearly marked on what setting you're on, here on the back and right here on the front. So again, you're sure to get them on the same setting all around the mower. Comes with a nice bagger. You can bag with this, bag your clippings, mulch your clippings, or you do have the option to side discharge here if you put this guy on here to set the chute up, so you can side discharge. Wheels are really nice and wide. Look like they're made of rubber, so I like that they're wide, keep down any type of rutting or anything like that. This one here is the latest model, so it has the larger Briggs & Stratton engine in it. I know that the first generation some people thought was underpowered. The new generation here has the larger engine in it, so we're going to see how that does. This is a 30-inch deck, uses 2 blades under the deck, 30-inch cutting height. So all in all, I'm pretty excited about this. It should do really well for us. So what I'll do is I'll get the oil in it, get some fuel in it, and we'll see how it does on its first start. So guys, we got her all set up and started. Hopefully you can hear me well over the motor. Got her running and warming up right now. One thing that I found is my first initial pulls wouldn't start, and what I found was that the spark plug wire was not pushed all the way into the boot. So I pushed it all the way up into the boot, put it back onto the spark plug, and it started up on the first pull, as you saw. So that all worked out great. So be sure to take it out on its first maiden voyage tonight, and try out the personal pace mowing that Toro offers. Excited about that. So we'll just kind of test out all the features, and then I'll come back to you guys with my my first impressions in our next video. So really appreciate it. If all things point to a good mower at this point, so of course Honda has me a little leery. So excited to test this out because I've heard really great reviews about it, and I hope you guys have a great time in the lawn, and we'll see you back in our next video. Thanks, bye-bye.